Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to create an account in Coursera app. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. But before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone. If you haven't already, then you can go through our other tutorials. We've also uploaded a tutorial on how to install the Coursera app on your phone. Now let's get to the point. First of all, open the app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. On this page, you can see the option New to Coursera Create Account. It is right below the Login with Email option. So tap on that option. Then you'll have to enter your credentials here. Enter your full name, email, and create a password. Enter your full name on this box. Then enter your email here. After that, create a strong password. And when you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the Create New Account option. Wait for it to load. And the account has been created. You can start using the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.